If your Windows PC feels slower than it used to, full of junk apps, background processes, and settings you can't even find anymore, I've got you a simple tool that fixes all of that in one place. It can clean, speed up, and even unlock hidden performance options with just a few clicks. And it's completely free. No scripts, no PowerShell, no risky website. Just a safe and official method to debloat, clean, and optimize Windows properly. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this tool brings every hidden tweak and optimization into one clean dashboard. On your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop or computer, just go ahead and type Microsoft Store. Just open up the Microsoft Store. Let's go ahead and search for Wintoys app. Open up this free Wintoys app and then get it. Please note that this app is 100% safe, official, and free. Once you got installed, you could go ahead and click on open, or you could click open on here. Yes, I want to open this app. Let's click on take control of your system. When you open it, you will see your system info, CPU, RAM, uptime, and even a score showing how optimized your PC is. It's clean, fast, and built for Windows 11 modern design. Now on the left bar, just go ahead and click on apps. This shows every program installed in your computer, even the hidden system apps that normally don't show up in the settings. If there is something you don't use, just select it and click on install. So that's how easy and simple way to clean your PC. Next is the services. These are the background processes that keeps running silently on your PC. Here you can stop the ones you don't need or use the useless filter to find unnecessary services safely. If you are not sure about the one, just right click and choose search on the web before changing anything. The next tab is performance tab. Performance section is all about the speed. Here you can enable the ultimate performance mode, manage startup apps, and disable search indexing if you want, and even see how long your PC takes to boot. Everything performance related is right here in one place. And the next one, Health tab, is super useful. It lets you clean up junk files, temporary data, and even enable fast startup, which can make your PC boot a lot quicker. Just hit the storage cleanup, select what you want to remove, and then clean easy. Now, this part is my favorite. The next amazing tweak section. You can change privacy setting, turn off ads and tracking, tweak how your desktop looks, and adjust system hidden options all with simple switches. If you like to fully customize your windows, you will spend a lot of time here. Please note that most of these changes takes effect instantly, but a few might need a quick restart. So make sure to reboot your PC once you are done. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Windows tips, and let me know in the comments which tweak worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.